Kareem's Quest is at one of the most beautiful villas I have ever seen in Jamaica. Now, I'm in St. Ann, and if you want to read the full review of this villa, all you have to do is go to my website, kareemsquest.com, or just look for the link in the comment, bio, or the description section. Now, this villa consists of 12 rooms altogether, and the owner actually wants people to just rent the entire property at once. All right, now I don't know if that's the condition. Sometimes people always ask me, what's the price and everything like that. I don't work at these places, all right? I just bring them to you and make sure so you can get the options. But I put the link usually in the description section somewhere or on my website where you can email them and just find out, you know, what are the prices, what are some of the rates and things like that. Now, this one is a lovely one. We have 6 villas with swim-out pools, basically. And of course, I guess these are going to be the coveted ones that everybody wants to go to and access to, right? And then we have 6 other ones that are located on the property itself. Now, if you have a lovely place that you want Kareem's Quest to review, let me know. That's what this owner actually did. That's how they reached out to me. And by the way, Jamaican owners, black Jamaican owners, you know, we give them a lot of credit, right? I have to give credit where credit is due just to even get something like this done. Very impressive. Let me take you on the inside now, show you what the inside looks like, right? And I'm going to lock the door so that the AC, I don't like wasting current even when I go to a lot of villas, so please keep that in mind. Now, this reminds me of the lobby area of a hotel, but this is what it's like. I remember when I was at Secret and Breathless had this lovely staircase that was like, you know, a glass staircase, and they have this, and this wood was brought here in Jamaica. This wood was actually cut and brought here from the North Coast, right? So, you know, there are just so many lovely things that this place has and it has to offer, and it gives a complete different experience for me. I mean, just being here for somebody like me, you know, it's just a fantastic experience. I mean, we're in Draxall in Ocho Rios to be exact. So really lovely experience.